Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you the process of installing Windows 7 inside of this VMware workstation. So after completely watching and following this tutorial, you will be able to install and run Windows 7 inside of this VMware workstation without having and facing any of errors. So let's get started our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you need to download and install this VMware workstation on your computer. You can read to the given link that I added to the description of this video to download and install this app player on your computer. After that, you have to activate this VMware workstation. You can read to this GitHub page to get the activation code for your VMware app player. And then you need to download this Windows 7 this image file. You can also read this website from the given link in the description of this video to download this Windows 7 this image file. Finally, you can launch your VMware workstation to install Windows 7. So when it comes to here, you need to click on this create a new virtual machine option. Now you need to select one of these options. I am selecting custom option, then click on next, again next. Now you need to select the Windows 7 this image file that you have downloaded from the given link in the description of this video like this, and then click on open. Now click on next, again click on next and click on yes, then click on next, select BIOS and click on next. When it comes to here, you need to select the processors for your virtual machine. I'm selecting one processor because it's enough for us to run Windows 7 inside of this VMware workstation. Then click on next, and when it comes to here, you need to select the RAM size for your virtual machine. I'm selecting 2 GB because I have installed 8 GB RAM on my PC. Then click on next again. Now click on next, again next, again next, again next. When it comes to here, you need to specify the disk capacity of your virtual hard drive to install Windows 7. I'm selecting 25 GB is enough for me to run and operate Windows 7 on a virtual system. I'm not going to install that much of applications or softwares on this virtual system. That's why I'm selecting 25 GB. If you want, you can increase this up to 50 GB or 60 GB. If you have enabled this allocate all disk space now option, it will automatically create a 25 GB disk image file on your hard disk. But it will help you to run your virtual machine very smoothly and fastly on your computer. If you wish to share your virtual machine into another computers also, you can select this store virtual disk as a single file option. I want to use this virtual machine in my computer, so I am selecting this second option. It will increase the performance of this virtual machine. Now click on next again. Now you can select the place where that you are planning to save the 25 GB disk image file. I am selecting local disk D because then it will help me to save the space of my local drive C. So I am selecting this folder and then click on save option and click on next. Then click on finish option, and this window will create a 25 GB disk image file on your hard drive. You need to wait until completing of this process. Okay guys, now we have successfully created a virtual machine to run Windows 7, but we can't launch this virtual machine at once after creating it. You can see there are some errors are coming up. So how we can solve these problems? Firstly, you need to open your start menu and search for Windows features. Then you can find this turn on off Windows features option. Now you need to open it. Then disable these options: Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, Windows Sandbox. Disable this Windows Subsystem for Linux option also. Then press OK. Now click on this restart now option. Okay friends, let's try to launch our Windows 7 to continue to the installation process. then click on this Windows 7 option and click on power on this virtual machine option.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most.
When it comes to here, you can see we have successfully installed Windows 7 on inside of VMware Workstation. You can see everything on this VMware Workstation is working fine with Windows 7. So with this, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.